So it turns at some point. Okay, so that part I won't judge you harshly on, but what I do need to see is, did you go through the y-intercept? Okay. Now what happens is here, I've accounted for the fact I've turned once, I've turned twice, that's the maximum number of turns I can show, no more. But what's going to happen as I get to this x-intercept, 3? Am I going to just touch it and turn around, or go through the x-axis? I have to go through the x-axis because its multiplicity came from the factor that had 1 as its multiplicity. So I come up to it, and I cross. Again, this is going to be a little bit up to you to how curvy you make it, because you don't know what's really going on until you get to calculus here. But as long as you don't show me more than 2 turns, and you show me your x-intercepts, one's touching, one is crossing, and that you've gone through your y-intercept, that's a decent sketch. Okay, that's a decent sketch for now. It'll get better, it'll improve with more skills that you'll acquire in calculus. All right, so all of that hopefully was a good review for you from college algebra. Here's where I spelled those things out that we just did together. We said the exponent of each factor was the multiplicity. If the multiplicity was odd, it crossed. If it was even, it touched. And then in the above graph, we noticed that it touched at -2 and crossed at 3. And I drew a little sketch there. Okay. Well, what we're going to do is have you practice a little bit more of this. We won't practice all of the examples, but just a little bit more. Let me see which one would be more helpful to you in class here.